Want automatic climate control in your 2002-2008 Honda Accord? This video shows you how to use the auto function for effortless temperature management. We'll cover the essentials for your Accord 7's system. The Accord 7 in EX trim and above features automatic climate control, a dual-zone system that automatically regulates cabin temperature. It uses sensors to maintain your set temperature without constant adjustments. Simply press Auto to activate it. This system works through integrated sensors and controls located on the center console. The dual zone feature allows different temperature settings for driver and passenger sides. Start your Accord by turning the ignition key to the on position. Set your desired temperature using the up and down buttons on the control panel, typically between 60 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Press the auto button. The system will automatically select the appropriate fan speed and vent mode for optimal comfort. Press the AC button to activate cooling and dehumidifying. The system may switch to recirculation mode for improved efficiency. While in auto mode, press the AC button to activate air conditioning. This engages the cooling system that circulates refrigerant to lower the cabin temperature. The AC system cools the air and removes humidity for comfort. The refrigerant absorbs heat from the cabin air, cooling it while condensing moisture out of the air. Refrigerant flows through compressor, condenser, evaporator, and expansion valve. The compressor pressurizes the refrigerant, the condenser releases heat outside, the evaporator cools the cabin air, and the expansion valve controls the flow. This heat transfer process ensures a comfortable cabin environment by maintaining optimal temperature and humidity levels. Your Accord's ECU integrates data from multiple sensors to control the climate system. Interior and exterior temperature sensors provide data about the cabin and outside conditions. A sun load sensor detects sunlight intensity, while humidity sensors monitor moisture levels. The ECU processes this sensor data to modulate airflow and cooling for optimal comfort. This intelligent control prevents overcooling, saving fuel, and improving efficiency. When troubleshooting common issues with your Accord 7's automatic climate control, start by checking if the auto mode isn't working. A faulty sun load sensor is often the culprit, as it helps the system detect sunlight and adjust temperature accordingly. Another frequent problem is low refrigerant levels, caused by leaks in the system. This affects cooling performance and can lead to compressor failure if not addressed. For troubleshooting, check online forums like accordforum.com for DIY solutions and user experiences. However, for major repairs such as sensor replacement or refrigerant recharge, consult a professional mechanic to ensure proper diagnostics and safety. For long-term care of your Accord 7's climate control system, regular maintenance is essential. Annual refrigerant checks are vital to prevent compressor burnout, which can be an expensive repair. Climate control repairs make up 15% of all Accord 7 maintenance issues. To maintain reliability, address refrigerant leaks promptly before they lead to compressor failure or other expensive problems. To bridge the gap with modern technology, aftermarket Bluetooth control kits are available for around $200 to $500. These allow smartphone connectivity for remote control of your Accord 7's climate system. While your 2002-2008 Honda Accord's automatic climate control system is reliable, it lacks modern features like AI-driven temperature adjustments and eco-friendly refrigerants. Newer cars use heat pumps for greater efficiency, reducing energy use by up to 40%. Consider aftermarket smart AC adapters to bridge the technology gap in your classic Accord.